Yeah, hi Jesh. Myself, Rashikar, I have 13 plus years of experience in IT industry. So not only trainings, I'm working as a real-time professional. So now we will discuss about the word called Android. So Android is nothing but it is a simple, in a simple words, I'll tell you the definition of Android. Android is an operating system. First word, it is simple, it is operating system. So we'll discuss each word in detail. And next, it is an development environment. So dev environment. Then it is a open source. So the last word, which is Linux kernel. So with these four words, we can form the definition of the Android. Android is an operating system. By using this, we can develop the apps, and it's open source. Always it will run on the top of the Linux kernel. So this is the simple words definition of the Android. So first we'll discuss each word in detail, like what is an operating system. So the operating system is nothing but, like we know, operating system is nothing but it's a bridge between the hardware and the software, right? So bridge between the hardware and software. Like here also, it will create the bridge. Like now, I logged in a Mac. So that is Mac is an operating system. Maybe you logged in a Windows laptop. So that will be in operating system. Maybe you logged in as a Android mobile. So that is also one operating system. Like that, it is creating the bridge between the hardware components as well as the software component that we called as an operating system. That is right. Then after that, development environment. So by using this Android, we can develop like from the Play Store. We have so from the Play Store, we can download lot of applications, right? So for those application, we someone has to develop and upload that. So that we can develop here by using this Android development. So that's the reason that is that we called as an operating system. Then sorry, development environment, open source. So this is like it is a open source. So because of the open source, there are a lot of benefits. Let us say if you are a developer, if you are a developer, whatever the development environment is there, so that you can get with free of cost easily. We can get that free of cost. We can develop the apps, what is the development environment and all. We can copy easily, and we can do whatever we want to develop. We can develop that. So that is for the development. In case if you are a mobile manufacturer, means device manufacturer, mobile or watch, TV, whatever the device manufacturer. In case if you are a device manufacturer, you can get the customizable operating system. So what is that customizable operating system? Let us say, for example, like you can see now, if you can customizable. Today, I have bought one Samsung mobile. You bought one Vivo mobile. Okay, both are in the same with Android 15 and Android 15. Right, hardware also same 6 GB, 6 GB. Whatever the hardware, software configurations all are same, but both are looks wise it is different because every manufacturer has customized operating system. They can customize on top of the basic, they customize that. So that is the reason that should be here. In case if you are end user, so we all are end users here. So for the end users, we can get a lot of applications are free of cost. So no need to pay anything for this, free of cost, right? Last but least, it is so this is Linux kernel. So the Linux kernel is the first level of security for our Android application. So always all the apps will run on top of this Linux kernel only. For example, I want to interact with camera. When I click on camera in my mobile, so this interaction will start from the camera. Camera will go and it will collect whatever the activities, whatever the component support is required. It will combine all the component support. Then it goes to the Linux kernel layer. So from there only it will interact with the user. Means this is the first level of security. Must every request will touch this layer. That's the reason we are saying this is an Linux kernel is the first layer of security, and it should be this, right? And after that here after that here now we have to see next step. So that is uh, how much duration is required and why you need to learn this course. So why you need to learn this course? First of all, like if I learn any other technology, like a lot of people will come for the job. So if you learn any other technology, you will get the job. Even though if you learn this technology, you will get the job. But apart from the job, here we have some other benefits. If you learn this course here, now apart from the job, you can create your own applications. So you can create your own applications and you can upload those applications into the Play Store. So when we upload those applications into Play Store, what happens here now? So from that applications, you will get some income, right? How we can enable the ads in those applications and we can earn some amount from those applications. So that is a second income source for this Android apps, right? And a third benefit also is there, like that is a freelancer, because see, in a Play Store, there are billions of applications are available, but all the applications are not developed by the means all the developers are not uploaded by the developers. Maybe I have interest to download the upload the applications, but I don't know the Android. Like if I approach a company, so if I approach a company, what happens then? That company people maybe like they said like to develop small application, they said that will be done in a 1 lakh. But if I approach one freelancer like you know Android, I approached you, then you will develop that same application like in a 20 to 25,000. So that the people will obviously go with this freelancers. That's the reason here we have the extra benefit that is a freelancer opportunities also there here. Right. So these are the benefit. Like coming into the course. So our course will like the latest Android is the Android 15. Our course will go with the Android 15 version. So that is the Android 15 with Android 15, and it is the total 45 days duration. 45 days duration means it's approximately it is on a 50 hours of course. So total we need to spend 50 hours on this course so that we can finish our course. So it's a 50 hours of course for this. Then in this, what we are going to cover, in this first we'll start from the basic, very basic components to till that development level, till the Play Store, until you upload the Play Store, that each and every single point by point with theoretical as well as the programmatically, we will learn each and everything in this, right? So that each and everything we will learn from scratch to till that level, we will learn everything that. Then what benefits I'll provide. So whatever the discussion of these videos, I'll share you after the class immediately. We'll get the video recording of the session. Then after that, I'll share one PDF. The PDF will contain the theoretical as well as the programmatical sessions. Then interview questions. Any particular point which is there in the interview point of view that is important. So that I'll explain you how you need to answer such a question in the interview point of view. Then in case like whenever we are discussing about the advanced topics, there I'll create one sample project. In that sample project, I'll incorporate in between of the 10 to 15 different topics into this, so that it will create a real-time project. How the real-time project will go in that way, that will create there, so that we can able to do that, so that based on that we will develop a real-time project. And also I'll explain you how to upload the apps into the Play Store and how to enable the ads into your applications, how you need to maintain that account with amounts and everything, how to manage that, such kind of all the activities we will discuss in detail of this course. Like topics wise, you don't know, that's the reason I'm not opening any course content here right now, because the topics wise, whatever the I scheduled like 45 days, right? The 45 days, there are different topics. So I'll share you the course content as well, but we'll discuss one by one topic. First 3 to 4 days, it's a completely the theoretical session. After that, we have to start the programmatic session. When we have the programmatic session, you need to ready with your laptop. So after the each and every class, I'll give you the task. You need to practice those tasks so that you will get full scope on this scope. Like when you stuck somewhere in a task, if you want any guidelines, I'll explain you that how we need to do that guidelines. Just a minute. Right. So James, though these all are the things we are going to discuss in next 45 days. Like this time is convenient for you, right? Every day, 8 to 8:40, 8:45, like that, we will spend the time,
Yes,
right?
sir. Yes.
Yeah, that we will.
Yes,
So
yes.
from tomorrow, we will start an actual session. Okay. So be ready by 8 p.m. exactly. So we will start. In case whenever in case sometimes I may be stuck in client meetings. If I stuck the client meeting, I'll explain you before that. I'll update you before that. Yeah, just okay. Jayant, do you have any questions or we'll connect from tomorrow?
Sir, can I get this PDF of this course?
Yeah, I'll share you in WhatsApp whatever the course content we are going to discuss. Also, if you
Okay.
have like any of your friends also interested, ask them to join so that we will discuss some detail. Okay.
Okay,
Maybe
sir.